get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies and welcome back. Alright, I've done a few quick videos lately, so I thought I'll throw one more in there. So I'm in the middle of gardening at the moment. I've got a week's worth to do in 2 days before the thunderstorms come back. And I'm friggin' starving. Now these fried cheese sandwiches I've basically been living on lately and I absolutely love them. So the trick to a good fried cheese sandwich is when you put your butter or margarine on, you want to cover every single little bit of the bread right to the edges. Now if you want to get a heap of them ready to fry up, just put your buttered sides together. So normally I would use sliced cream cheese, but I don't have any, so I'm using real pizza cheese, which is absolutely yummy. Once they're ready to go, we want to get a frying pan on a medium heat. These are also awesome to do at camping and on top of barbecues. So you pick up the top one with the butter underneath and you put the butter side down, and then you pick up your next one and you put the buttered side on the top. Once she's beautiful and toasty, flip her over. Oh yeah, baby. Yum. These taste so much better than toasties or toast, I reckon. And another thing I love doing too is I love making these up on the barbie when heaps of people are over and then piling your bacon and eggs on top. Oh, takes it to the next level. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Just like that. A great breakfast, lunch or midnight snack. Better get you some. Thank you for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Stay safe out there. Toodles.